Hello, everybody. The question says that single-celled animals or organisms are immortal. And we are supposed to answer that why are these organisms called immortal? So basically, these single-cell organisms are also called unicellular organisms. And these unicellular organisms undergo a sexual mode of reproduction in which one parent or organism is required to produce the offsprings. And these offsprings that are produced are the exact copies of their parents because they contain the exact copies of the genetic composition as their parent. But what happens here in this type of reproduction is that simple cell division occurs and fertilization does not occur. So simply the parent body gets enlarged and then gets divided completely into offsprings, due to which none of the part of the parent is left to die in the future. And that is why we can assume that they continue to live as their daughter cells. Now, the other options that are there says that the single-celled organisms grow indefinitely in size, or the change in temperature is tolerated by them, or they can reproduce throughout life cycle, which is not true. Immortality does not depend on the size or on the change in temperature or on the reproductive phase of the organism. Yes, because there are different organisms which are of equal size, but they possess different amount of lifespan, which means that immortality also cannot depend on the size. Then change in temperature doesn't affect the immortality at all. And reproductive phase is present in all the organisms. It is different in different organisms, but it doesn't decide the immortality. So now we can come to the conclusion of the question and say that the correct option is option B, which says they continue to live as their daughter cells. Yes, they continue to live as their daughter cells. And I hope you've understood the solution. Thank you so much.